Hello. In this example, we build on an earlier spreadsheet that we used, which was calculating some statistics. And this time we want to add in some count values for, in this case, gender. And we have a function that we can use, COUNTIF, and we'll show you how to do it like this. So, entering the function, we're going to do it against these values here for gender, and we have three options here. So equals count if, open bracket, enter the range of values, comma, and then the criteria we want to measure. So in the first case, we want open a double quote, the value we're counting for. There we go. So we can see COUNTIF, the range from C3 to C20 is female. Now, can we copy this down for the next one? Sort of. We've copied the form. Let me do that again. Let's just drag the formula down. And if we check the formula, we see that the range has moved slightly, which is not surprising, and the value stays the same. So we want to do a couple of things. Change this to be male, and then just fix up the range slightly because it's used relative to the cell, and there we go. We've now got COUNTIF, the range C3 to C20 is male, and we get this result. And finally, let's do it the simple way. We'll drag this down again, saves typing, and we'll make this not specified, and we'll fix the range again, highlight there, and then re-enter the range, hit enter. And here we have our three results. You can see the range is the same, the function is the same, the value we're checking for is different.